Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said elections are a big celebration in democracy and an opportunity to inculcate the values of democracy in the minds of future generations. An impressive march past by naval cadets marked the passing out parade held at the Picture Square Indian Naval Academy at Izzi Mala in Kannur district this morning. National Investigation Agency NIA has arrested one more accused in connection with Rameshwaram Coffee Blast case. Sunflowers were the first ones to know. A Film by Film and Television Institute of India FTII student Chidanand S. Nayak and his team has won the title La Cine Award at the 77th Cannes Film Festival. In IPL cricket, Sunrisers Hyderabad stormed into the final, defeating Rajasthan Royals by 36 runs in the second qualifier match at MA Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai last night.